There are 5 stages of wealth. Most people are stuck at stage 2 without knowing it. These are not motivational labels. They are real financial positions with real mathematical differences. Each stage has a specific number attached to it and a specific behavior that keeps you there. Where you sit on this staircase determines every financial decision you should be making right now. Most people try to make stage 5 decisions while they are still living at stage 2. Fatal. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which stage you are at and what to do. This is not about income. A high earner can be at stage 1, a low earner at stage 4. It is entirely about behavior and decision making, not about how much you earn, ever. Let us go through each stage, starting with stage 1, where almost everyone begins. Pay close attention to stage 2. That is where most people get permanently stuck. Stage 1, financial survival. You are living paycheck to paycheck, nothing left over. Every pound that comes in goes straight back out before the month is even halfway done. There is no buffer, no emergency fund. One unexpected bill creates a genuine financial crisis. Stage 1 is not always about low income. It is about spending equaling or exceeding income. High earners can be at stage 1, a $60,000 salary with $60,000 spending, trapped. The exit from stage 1 requires one thing only: creating a gap between income and spending. Even a 100-pound gap per month starts the engine. Size matters less than existence. Stage 2, debt accumulation. This is where most people live and where most people stay. At stage 2, income has increased, but lifestyle has inflated to match it every single time. Car upgrade, bigger house, better holidays, more subscriptions, all funded by debt, not savings. Stage 2 people look wealthy from the outside. They are not. They owe almost everything they own. Net worth at stage 2 is often negative or barely positive despite a decent income. The trap at stage 2 is comfort. It is not painful enough to force change. That is the danger. Most people spend 20 or 30 years at stage 2, earning more, spending more, net zero. The exit from stage 2 is stopping the lifestyle inflation, freezing spending when income rises. Every raise, every bonus, every extra pound goes toward debt first, then toward building wealth. Stage 3, financial stability. You have cleared the consumer debt. You have a real buffer. Emergency fund exists. 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting liquid and accessible. Real security. At stage 3, you stop reacting to life. You start responding from a position of strength. Stage 3 feels like breathing for the first time. The constant financial pressure lifts noticeably. You are not wealthy at stage 3, but you are stable, and stable is an incredible starting place. The move from stage 3 to stage 4 requires one shift, from saving to investing consistently. Before stage 3, if this is useful, please subscribe. Free. One tap means everything. Stage 4, wealth accumulation. Your money is now working harder than you are every day. At stage 4, you have an investment portfolio. It is growing even when you are asleep. Net worth is positive and growing. It is no longer just your salary that builds your wealth. Stage 4 people think in decades, not months. They understand time is the most powerful asset. They do not panic sell when markets drop. They buy more because they understand the game. Income at stage 4 is supplemented by passive income, dividends, rent, returns, all compounding. Stage 4 is where wealth becomes self-reinforcing. Every pound earned makes the next one easier. Getting to stage 4 requires 3 things: patience, consistency, and refusing to inflate lifestyle. Most people get to stage 4 between ages 40 and 55, if they ever get there at all. The earlier you start investing, the earlier stage 4 arrives. Time and market beats everything else. Stage 5, financial freedom. Your investment income covers your entire life. Work is now optional. At stage 5, your portfolio generates enough to fund your lifestyle without touching the principal. This is the 4% rule in action. Portfolio sustains itself indefinitely while paying you. Stage 5 does not mean you stop working. It means you work because you choose to, completely different. Most people never reach stage 5. Not because it is impossible, because they never planned for it. Stage 5 is not reserved for the rich. It is reserved for the consistent and the patient. Which stage are you? Now, the question you have been asking yourself since the start of this video. Which stage am I? You are at stage 1 if you have no savings and expenses consume all of your income monthly. You are at stage 2 if you have consumer debt and your lifestyle keeps expanding with income. You are at stage 3 if consumer debt is cleared and you have 3 months of expenses saved. You are at stage 4 if you are actively investing and your net worth is growing every month. You are at stage 5 if investment income covers your full living expenses without working at all. Most honest people reading this right now will identify themselves at stage 1 or stage 2. That is not a failure. That is a starting point, and a starting point is all you actually need. How to move up. Here is how to move from whatever stage you are at to the next one. Specific steps. Real actions. Stage 1 to 2 exit. Create a 100-pound monthly gap. Automate it immediately. Stage 2 to 3 exit. Attack highest interest debt first. Freeze lifestyle spending right now. Stage 3 to 4 exit. Open index fund account. Automate monthly contribution, then leave it. Stage 4 to 5 exit. Grow portfolio to 25 times annual expenses. That is it. Every stage exit has one common requirement. Stop spending before income is even allocated anywhere. Pay yourself first. The moment income arrives, remove savings before touching anything else at all. This single behavior separates people who progress through stages from people who stay stuck. Let us recap all 5 stages one final time, so you leave knowing exactly where you stand. Stage 1, financial survival. Living paycheck to paycheck. Income equals or is beaten by expenses. Stage 2, debt accumulation. Income rising, but lifestyle inflates to match. Net worth barely moves. Stage 3, financial stability. Debt cleared. Emergency fund full. Breathing room exists, finally. Stage 4, wealth accumulation. Investing consistently. Net worth growing monthly. Money working hard. Stage 5, financial freedom. Investment income covers life. Work is a choice, not a requirement. Your stage is not your identity. It is your current position. Positions change. Behaviors change them. The gap between stage 2 and stage 4 is not years. It is decisions made consistently over time. You do not need to be at stage 5 to be winning. Moving up one stage is a real victory. Write down your stage today. Then write the one action that moves you toward the next stage. That one action done consistently is worth more than any financial knowledge you will ever read. The people who move through all 5 stages are not smarter. They are just more consistent. Always. Subscribe for the next video. I will cover exactly how to move from stage 2 to stage 3 fast. You now know the 5 stages. You know your stage. You know your next move. Use it. Most people will watch this and do nothing. You are going to be the exception. Start today.